I hadn't planned on getting this thing installed today, but the installer had today available, so let's just go ahead and get it done. This is where I've decided to hang the mirror. This is where it's going to get hung. We've got the electrical outlet down in the corner down there. We had to move that weight rack out of the way, but this is where it's going to go. Open her up. Packed with foam all around. We got a couple of rails. We got the electrical cord. We got the anchors with screws. Box is secured in the corners. Here you can see what the mirror looks like from the back. And here's a more detailed look at the framing and the electrical box with the plug. Go ahead, do what you need to do.
Go ahead. You want to pick it up and you take off the corner, come this way, and then we pick it up and hang it. Bang. Okay? You see this rail right here? That's what's going to hang on. Go up and in. Go up higher. Okay, now go up.
Since I hired a professional mirror company to come and hang it, they used these cups. I would advise you do the same. Get somebody professional to hang a mirror this large. Once the mirror came out, I noticed that there was this big mirror length piece of plywood. Let me show it to you so you can see the full thickness of it. That's the piece of plywood that secured the mirror on one side. This thing was really well packed. Here we have the plastic protective sheet that comes on the mirror when you take it out of the box. This will have to be removed before you can see the beautiful, beautiful luster of the actual mirror. So here we have the mirror fully installed. You can see it. Let's turn the light on. You see the light comes on. Very, very beautiful. I'll show you what that looks like in the dark in a minute. First, I want to show you that the light has 3 different modes. Let's hit this to brighten it up. Oh yeah, if you hold the button, if you hold the on and off button, that either takes the light up higher or brings the light down. So that's how you adjust the intensity of the light, by holding the on and off button for a couple of seconds, and then again the intensity either goes up or the intensity comes down. You use the secondary button here to switch the different modes. And then at the bottom, you have a button to activate the anti-fogging feature. I'll give you a close look at the buttons. There's your button for on and off and the intensity. There is your button to cycle through the different temperatures of light. And there is your button for anti-fog. So let me now turn off all the lights, and hopefully I will be able to give you guys a look at this mirror with just the mirror giving off the light. Here it is on, here it is off, here it is on again. Here we're cycling through the different colors of light, different temperatures, and it goes down and it comes back up. Before I close out, I want to thank the guys at Highland Park Glass and Mirror for doing the install. They did charge me for it, but I'm going to give them a free plug anyway. I would like to thank Rocky, the guy at the vendor that sent me this mirror. Thank you very much for having confidence in me that I would get this thing installed on the wall without breaking it. Thank you very much. They sent it to me for free. Really, really nice of them to send me something this nice for free. This is a really, really great mirror. I'm really glad that they did send it to me. Gave me the opportunity to make this video for you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to leave me a comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to go out into the world and have yourselves an absolutely wonderful life.